We're back with a Civic, and we're gonna try. Oh, it's dirty. I'm gonna try to take off the inner door card. Found a pack of cigarettes. Gross. Smokers. So I went to the right card. I noticed that people just destroy door cards, and I don't know why. So there should be 3. One there.
It's one you can't see at all.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe. No, doesn't want to focus on
It's
it.
gonna be like, okay, so it's in the door handle slot. You're gonna have another one right here.
Yeah, can't see that.
No, it's gonna
Too
be
dark.
It's gonna be up there, and then there's one here. This one here is just a little grommet type thing. It's one of those push pins. I'm pretty sure it's the last one. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try and take off the whole door card because ooh, that looks stripped. Yeah, here's the dumb part. So our phones, the S9 for me,
S10.
S10 for me.
And mine's a 10 Plus, slightly newer but not quite as new as some of them. Anyway, on one of the updates, they removed the availability of having your flash on for a light while you're filming. Oh, and it just shut off. Oh, it didn't. It's still going.
That's okay, I need another screwdriver. So the fun part about my car right here is that somebody's already been in there and they stripped the crap out of it. Oh, hate people that don't know what they're doing with cars. What do you think, Jen?
I think everybody starts from somewhere. But if you're gonna strip
but-
something, you should replace it.
Yeah. But my issue is, why strip stuff?
Because people don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Or maybe they don't have availability of tools.
There's that. There is very much that.
So looks like we need to get a couple LEDs over here for when you're filming on your Civic.
Yep. Aha. I think.
Maybe?
Like I said, it's all gonna be Phillips.
Oh, it's like straight in there. Okay, I thought it was up. It's straight through the handle.
Give it back.
It's just dangling there.
Give it back. Come on.
The door card's trying to eat it.
Yep. Oh, got it.
Yep.
So like I said, it's just really, really small. Why is it always harder?
Can't see from this side. Oh, actually, you can see
So-
through the window. Kinda.
Jen, why are we doing this?
Because you're missing that thing, which you can barely see. And when they had the vice grips on there, they put it right on the teeth and it chewed it up. So we have to get you a new window regulator.
Yeah. So did we get a new one?
We did, somewhere.
That does not feel like a Phillips. Vice grips. We're gonna damage it, although you can't really damage it more than what it already is. Here's the dumb part. The window regulator works.
Yeah, they just chewed it up beyond a thread fixer thing.
Yeah. There's no way I could have fixed it.
Worst part is if they would have grouted it from a different angle,
Yep.
they would have been able to actually grab onto like the circle part,
Yep.
not the teeth, and they would have saved themselves a lot of hassle.
Absolutely, but they didn't. I can't get that one. Nope, I can't get that one.
It's too stripped?
Yeah.
It's too rusted.
Okay, we're gonna pause the video.
Did you get it?
We got it. Can you pull? They need to sponsor us.
I
So,
keep saying that. I think we just open our own franchise. Yeah. She dirty.
yeah, that's gross. Let's not lose those. Okay. I'm also having an issue with the door. So, It closes, right?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't close.
Think it's the handle sticking out? Yep.
But for safety, they're not gonna like that.
No.
So. And when I went to Sudbury, which Kenny Upple is not in Sudbury, it's in Hanmer.
It's in the greater Sudbury area. So drive to Sudbury and then drive around Sudbury and drive away from Sudbury for about 45 minutes and you'll get there.
Okay. Cup.
Okay?
Up.
Yep.
Gross. Those are cigarette ashes, and where's the screws? Okay. Those are all like cigarette ashes. Oh look. You know what that is?
No?
It's Dad's window that he shattered.
Oh.
I'm still finding pieces.
At least he left his mark.
Yeah. And then this one here. There's nothing. It should come out and give it. Come here. Come on.
Just kind of like pushing in as you pull out to get the clips?
Yep.
Okay.
So you see how I did that, right? So I was able to grab it from the back
Yep.
to the front, and then you're like, uh-oh. But you can flip it. And look at that, I didn't break any of the tabs.
Yay.
So, that's always good. Whoa. Whoa.
I think you might want some penetrating oil.
So you guys can't see, but that's rusty. Very, very
You can
rusty.
kinda see it just blends in with everything else. It looks black.
Yeah. All
But
right.
it's really red.
Now, about the door, you just gotta, you gotta pull on it, and I go. I don't know how I did it so easily at the rec yard.
Well, it was the wreck yard and you didn't care whether or not you wrecked it.
It's probably it.
And it goes something like that.
But I did it. Okay. How many pins broke, Jen? None.
Woo!
Don't ask me how. But I
All
didn't
your
break...
clips are still there.
Huh?
All your clips are still there.
Yeah. Don't ask me how, but all the clips are there. I don't know. I
Yay.
just did that.
I don't know either.
Yay! Thanks. Subscribe. Woo, Kenny's.